Candida here, and I was sent the storage bag organizer in exchange for my honest review, and I absolutely love these. So these are bamboo storage organizers for the baggies. So here we've got the gallon, we've got sandwich bag size, we've got quart and snack. What I like about this setup is I can rearrange it any way to fit inside of a drawer. I can stand them up straight against the wall, and so I've got different options to make these work with my cabinets and my drawers. As you can see, the baggies fit right in here and they are easy to grab. The best part is I can see them, so I know when I'm running low and it's time to restock, which is always a win. Here you can see how I have them on my cabinet, so that way they are within reach. They're easy to grab, and I can simply stack them like this, or if I want to, I can change it like that. And so there is no right or wrong way to put them. It's just really gonna be preference. As you can see, there are different varieties of ways to stack these based on counter space. I personally like to keep these in a drawer. That way I can just reach in and grab them. Overall, these are great at organizing and helping me see how many baggies I have left when it's time to restock. But I love the fact that it's super easy to reach in and grab one out. Overall, these are a great addition to the kitchen, so I hope you found the review helpful.